box, but I think in the poly community, especially Samoans and Tongans, they call it ish. Here we go, Matthew right here, playing ish with this guy. Going at it. That's so funny. Roblox made a ish game. Oh, oh, you got him with the. You got him with the camera. Lost. That was actually a good one. All right, who else? Oh, he going again? All right, let's do it. Boom. All right, got him right there again. And he got 11 hearts. Matthew got 13. Takes forever for him to do his, huh?
I'm just like dancing.
But those letters are behind you, covering. Go by me.
Yeah, watch this one. Watch
Go
this
over
one.
there in the
Watch this
dirt
one.
area now, by the on the
Oh
right
no, you
side.
got it.
The dirt, no, right on the right. See all that room right there? That space on the right side of the screen? Yeah, right there. Hey, got him.
Disappeared to the sky.
All right, who's gonna join next? Who's next? Oh, this guy still wants some. All right, where to now? All right, here goes Matthew in here. I'm gonna go. I'll challenge Matthew right here. Let me join. Okay, ready? Oh, that's me.
Oh, God.
Oh, here we go. We doing it. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, dang, got me over there. Oh, dang, got me all snaps.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy. The finishing moves
Wait,
in here. It's
Matthew, look.
crazy. What you doing? What in the world? So weird. All right, I'm gonna film Matthew's up. Oh wait, hold up. Right there. Let's go.
Come on, Matthew, you can do it.
Hey, 13, 14. Oh, that guy. Boom,
Dad, you see
boom.
me?
Yeah. Boom, boom,
Hi.
boom. Up.
Dad,
Oh,
Dad,
snap.
look at me.
Oh, dang, that guy got 13.
Dad, just keep looking at me.
Here we go. Look, everybody. Oh, you can go in the ring now. Jump in the ring and do your dance. Look, that guy in the ring.
Wait,
Frank.
how do I get in there?
Frank.
Oh, his first loss. Crazy. All right, we gotta go. All right, where you guys want to go? You gonna play Matthew now or no?
Should I?
It's up to you.
Whoever.
To you. I'm filming. I'm broadcasting right now. I'm on live right now. This is gonna be our new video for this game.
Oh, I did.
So hurry up, do your thing. Yeah. 15, 14. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's a tie. tie right now.
I don't know. I'm just pressing buttons back and forth.
Don't press. You gotta like set up like a strategy. You gotta have a strategy.
Let's go.
Oh my God.
Hey,
Celebration.
in the world. Oh look, you want to play this guy?
Oh, should I?
Go. Let's try it. Well, I'm streaming right now. Boom. Go. You got 15. You guys. No one. No one has an L right now so fast. Lost the point. Oh, you lost the point. There they go. Go.
Dang it.
And you guys are next in it. Dang, you're losing. He's catching you. You keep staring where he's pointing.
Dang it.
And he got a selfie. And nothing inside.
It's okay. I'm new in
Anybody
this.
gonna challenge him?
I
Or
don't know what to do.
no? Alright.
How
I'm
do
trying
I
to
get
go for
into
the
the ring,
title.
though? That's
Yeah.
what my question is.
It's the title ring right here. Alright.
It's whoever gets the title they carry it with the
Alright, we're watching the title. I don't know who these people are, but that guy about to lose. He got 8. I don't know how much the girl had. Oh, they're both the same.
Dad, look at me.
You know, I think you can go in the ring and dance.
I'm like, I can try, but I don't think it's gonna work.
Look, that guy's 7.
7.
They're both 7.
How did that guy get in the ring? Is it
Oh,
you?
she. Oh, they're both at the same time. Tie.
He was jumping. I can't do anything. How did that guy get in the ring?
See, look, he got in the ring again.
How did he get in the ring?
Oh no,
Is he like glitched or something?
probably.
Is he like a reset?
Unless he's like one of the developers.
It would say.
He's trying to get in, huh? Is that why he's standing there?
Wait, hold on. So you know like the end of that girl's name? That looks like a Myers name. MyrieE.
Cashel Mike. Jamai.
Jamari.
This dude only has to catch her one time and that's it.
Oh no,
If he can catch her one time, then it's over.
waiting for that right here. Boom, nope, right here. Game over. Oh no. Hey, oh, what a move! He dunked on her. Hey, that was a nice finishing move though. Dang, just waiting over here.
I want to play for the title, but this guy keeps on waving. On the yeah.
All right, let's go.
This girl said you were weird. That'd be weird.
Oh, we got Matthew got one over here for this title. Let's go. Get Matthew a win.
And get the belt.
Yeah.
Hey, got him twice on that.
Damn.
Hey. He fell for those double twice, pointing down.
Get out,
Hey.
boy.
Sent him
I
to
have
the
the title
abyss.
on.
Matthew got the title. What?
I carry this title now.
Hey.
Go, Matthew.
This is our champ over here. Who's gonna play him? Anybody come?
Yay.
And you got a cheerleader right there.
Mm.
Let's see who's gonna join. Oh, this guy right here. He wants.
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Let's see. Right here.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I gotta go on Matthew's side. The best way to Matthew win is go on
I
my
just
side.
keep catching.
Come on, Matthew, you got this. You got this.
He keeps catching. Oh no, he keeps catching.
Dang, what
Oh
the
my
heck?
god.
Dang it. That's alright.
I get a mic drop. All right, let's go. Let's get that belt back. Back over here, trying to get the title. Win the belt back.
Come on, we got the cheerleader over here doing her best, trying to stay.
I don't know what those two doing. Hey, hey, no, he's from Fight. He's from the guy from School Fight. Is that why he's over here?
I have no idea who
Yeah,
this
I
person
don't
is.
even know. Anyway, let's go. 12-10.
Come on, Matthew. You can do it. My cheerleading is going, it's like working. Let's go, Matthew.
He keeps going the same way.
Come on. Let's go, Matthew. What that? Dang, that person just got steps to the sky.
But look at his patterns. He goes down,
Imagine goes up this time.
right, down, up. Hey,
Yeah.
you got dunked on. Let's go.
Oh man, bro.
Is he going again?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. He's trying to get that title back.
Hey guys, if you're not subscribed, you should subscribe. That'd be the good thing to do.
Ooh, to the abyss.
2 times already.
That's crazy. Two-time champ. Two-time champ. Shadowboxing. Let's go. Let's
Oh, now this guy
go.
wants to go.
All right, let's go. We got a grease looking guy over here with his
If you
hair.
consider subscribing, that'd be thank you. That'd be nice. Thank you.
Subscribe. Let's go.
Please
And
subscribe.
15-15.
Please subscribe.
Oh, dang. Oh, yep. Here we go. He's about to get dunked on, or is he gonna get sent to the
Oh,
abyss? Oh, what?
Yeah, you smell so nice. I don't have any grandkids.
Now, can you go close that back door? And then, I don't want to put Pia in Nerissa's room, I guess. Because the garage got fleas.
He's fine. He's just chilling.
Uh-oh. That guy about to be in the tens. Hey. That dude back there literally watching too. See him now? The guy back there. Don't block it. We about to dunk on him.
Come on, Matthew.
Hey, too easy. Too easy. Look at that.
oh man. He's going the opposite way every time.
Come on, man. You can't just lose a crown to some random dude that came out of
What do you
nowhere.
mean? He's way ahead. Oh, dang. Hey, hey. Hey, dunked on. Three-time champ.
Congratulations.
Three-time champ. Doo, doo, doo. Look at that air horn. Doo, doo, doo. All right,
No, you gotta tell
Mm.
me you have to tell me when you do it so it times with my jump.
all right. We got another challenger going on his fourth defender right here.
He
Let's
doesn't
go.
want to lose it and he wants to keep it. Let's see if
You're on a
he
roll
can
right now.
with our all-time champion, Uncle Matt.
Up, right, right, left.
Oof. Oh man. Oh man. He got it. Damn.
Oh, we going again. The longest was what, three
Oh, man.
defends. And going. Ooh, and you got the belt back. Look at
Let's
that.
go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Can these people handle the heat?
What are you doing? What's that?
Access Smith chocolate against the zipper. I'm cleaning it up.
Yeah, can you please pick up the rest of that trash over there?
Let's see. That was at 12. Oh no. That's at 10, 11, 11, 10. Okay.
It's gonna come back from behind.
Damn.
Oh, damn.
Damn.
Oh, snap.
No need to see nothing here.
Oh, man. Oh, you didn't even get the guy with the belt. Yeah, I want to play that guy with the belt. You, come over here. Come over here. All right, here we go.
I need to do the cheerleader for my dad.
What? Dang, I died
Oh
fast.
damn.
Looks like I'm not a good shadow boxer. Okay, this guy's the belt. I just gave him two-time champ. He wants one of you guys. He's over here looking at you guys. All right, let's just wait since the guy with the belt wants to play. To see out of these two guys who's gonna. Yeah.
You guys are three-time champion.
Yeah, we're just pizza?
It's over here.
What are you doing?
I got it inside the fridge. So you can eat it. Oh. Go on that.
Hey, let's watch this.
All right.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Boom. Right there. Got him.
Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe. Alright. Now I just gotta go over here. And between Matthew and him. And then I just gotta do my cheerleading. Oh, what? Go on, steal that belt back. Look at him. Look like I'm punching him in the face.
He got 5 more. He's about to be out. Boom. Dunk.
Oh, man. There's a 2v2 over there.
Yeah, 1-on-1 is good.
No, I'm just saying, what is a 2v2 in this ish game?
Damn, bro.
Dang, got you. There's more people coming in.
Oh, there goes that kid.
All right, here. We got to fight.
Alright, what
Let's
is
go.
watching?
Oh,
Neck to neck right now.
Dad, you know what I'm trying to get right now?
Do
I'm
what?
trying to get the hawk one. It looks interesting. I just need 100 more.
it's just a bird that comes and grabs them.
I know. I just like animals. Dang. Dang, man. No. I need to do my cheerleading before it's too late.
And you keep catching.
No.
Hey, he caught him right there. Boom, got him. He took his picture.
Yeah.
Got the title back. That was fast too. He's like, I want to come back for some more.
Let's go.
See if I can get a different angle.
Wait, keep it like that.
This
More.
one? This angle's closer so you could get the details of the head turn.
Subscribe. Subscribe. The angle is perfect. Alright, this one's perfect. This right here, right here.
Good.
Subscribe. Oh, wrong angle. Subscribe. 3, 2, oh.
Dang, Matthew's been catching them.
Come on, Matthew. Alright. Once Matthew wins, after he does his cool little.
Dang, he's getting caught. Big time.
Wait, 2 people are watching. Who are the 2 people?
That's funny, man. All right,
There's 2 people watching.
we got Matthew defending his title.
Dad,
He's defending his title right now.
Dad,
Huh?
there's 2 people watching the stream. Go
Oh, what? That's cool. Hey, thanks for watching, tuning in. We're on Shadowboxing ish. I feel like it originated.
Oh,
Oh, lost the belt. It's all good. It is all good. All right,
on,
Matthew's waiting. We're gonna wait till these 2 guys
Dad,
done.
back. Me and Matthew, we're gonna do the thing.
All right, hold on. Let me get back right over here.
Alright, Matthew. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Sub.
Where's Chance, man?
Like. He's probably watching the stream. Like, sub. Like. Please. Please.
Yeah, Matthew. You think the Polys like they started this game, huh? Ish,
Yeah.
and then everybody caught on. Then they're like
Bro,
shadowboxing.
I was trying to get in. Break. Hey.
What if I were to get in instead, and then I would give it to Matthew.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd just tell him
Oh,
about 2
hey, he
minutes.
won. Beat that guy. Let's go. Oh,
Oh, man.
what? That guy. Look, he over here waiting for his belt. All right, hey, let's go. Come over here. Come on. See if you play me. I know, not the best, but come, bring your belt over here. Come over this way.
Oh, who's your nine?
Okay. Oh, let's go now.
Oh,
Let's go beat him.
yeah!
Oh,
Yeah!
damn.
Yeah.
How did you do that?
I don't know. I just pressed buttons.
You running around with the belt? What the heck? You gotta get in the ring and play somebody. This girl, she over here running around with the belt, dancing.
Alright, Matthew. Here, I go up. I go up.
That's
Okay.
crazy.
I go up.
You gotta be fast. Just still up, down, all the way. Dang.
Alright.
Still that up, down, all the way.
Oh, what? Matthew.
2 times, man. What the heck?
I'm trying to get the belt to
Like,
you.
everybody waiting over there.
I go this way. I go up. I go down.
Hey, that selfie stick.
Yay!
Not that selfie stick. Hey, we got the
The
champ
selfie
back.
stick is cool. There you go. See, that's what I'm telling you to do. I give it straight to Matthew. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, baby. I'm so
All
sorry.
right, here we go. We got little Goku over here. Hey, selfie stick.
I'm so sorry I bumped into you. I'm so sorry. I know. Give you a treat because I feel bad. I'm very sorry, Dia.
Oh, 3-time champ.
3 times.
3-time.
Three
I think your
times.
record is 3, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see if we get the 4th, then you'll beat your record. That cat is loud.
I know. I thought cats are supposed to be so quiet.
Dang, he's gonna catch me. Damn, he
Oh,
got me.
no way. No way. And he walking away with the belt.
If I were to get the belt again, I would just sit there and dance for a few seconds and then I'll go to Matthew and give it to him.
Little Goku's getting him.
I know how it feels to have a
And he got
belt now.
football.
So cool. I don't know how I one-shot that other guy though. That was crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I was just pressing a button.
I think if you get like perfect back to back, then yeah, I think. Ooh, this guy got him 2-time champ.
2 times.
Oh.
Did I join him? Oh, never mind.
Dang, how do you get this fast?
All right, right
Wait
here.
before
Here we
you.
go. Oh, damn, how come he playing this guy again? What the heck? So weird.
Yeah, I'm just gonna join the next champion because you guys can't. This Goku guy keeps on getting.
Oh, he losing. He's gonna give him a 3 straight.
This was pretty good.
Take him out right here. Selfie stick. Boom. Got him.
Alright, come on. Come on, Matthew.
Try to get Matthew in there.
Matthew's just chasing him.
Everybody just following him. What the heck? Maybe he don't want to play you. Huh?
Matthew and him have the same body build.
Maybe he don't want to play
Scared
Matthew.
Him and Matthew have the same body build. should I get the sock or the eagle instead, Dad?
Get the eagle.
Alright.
Oh, look at that, man. 4-time champ. Man, we gotta get you in there, man. Right there. Hey, okay, right here. Serious right here. Let's get him.
Where is that?
Go
They're
back here.
Come
Oh,
on.
what? How do you do that so fast?
Oh, whoopsies.
Get him now. Hey, now got him.
Dang. Dang it.
But you're still 15 though. You're winning.
Dang it.
Let's go now. Uh, there you go.
No. I should have went down.
Why did you repeat it? Now he's 6-time champ. Man, what in the world?
It's because I thought you would pick down because last time I went down. I went down that one and I almost
Yeah.
got him. He almost got his one, so I thought if I were to go down, he would pick down. So, but he thought about it, and I picked the one big. I'm just gonna I'm just gonna stay in this one. Come on, that's pretty good though. Come on, get him. The other guy's winning so far. Oh, what the heck, Matt?
Hey, those guys are playing right. This guy's about to be done. I want to try him. Let's see. We got Matt and Nea back there and the champ over here. Ooh, he just got dunked on. What? Yo. No. Oh, man, I don't want to play this guy.
Oh, now he wants to play Matt. Oh,
Hey, I don't even know I beat him, but I did. Woo! I didn't know like that. It says, oh, I got some badges over here. All right. Yeah, still going. Dang.
this is a very intense fight. Who's gonna lead? Oh, am I in the lead?
Hey,
Yeah, I'm gonna get the eagle
look
on
at
this
the
one.
guy with the belt. He's coming over here. It's like I don't want the guy with the horns. Shoot, I want to fight this guy. Oh, never mind.
Dang, he's getting on every time.
Damn, Matthew's holding on.
I know, I'm just clicking buttons.